The only 5 strength exercises you need to stay strong at 70, 80 and beyond. Most people think aging means slowing down, but that's not true. In this video, you'll discover simple moves that protect your independence, balance and strength without going to gym. These aren't random exercises, they're the blueprint to keep you climbing stairs, traveling the world and living life on your terms well into your later years. Stick with me till the end, because I'll show you how to combine them into one powerful daily routine that could literally change how you age. Movement 1. Eccentric strength training. Picture this, you're 70, on a dream trip to Bali. Before reaching the river for rafting, you face a long staircase, 100 steep steps. For many, that's where the adventure ends. Not because they can't walk, but because going downhill feels hard to control. That's where eccentric strength matters, the power to control movement as you go down. Whether walking downstairs, sitting, or lowering into a squat, your thigh muscles act like brakes, keeping you stable against gravity. When those brakes weaken, every step feels shaky, and slopes or chairs become a challenge. It's not about stamina, it's about control. Strong legs let you move safely and confidently. To build it, try slow squats, lower yourself for 3 to 4 seconds, then rise normally. Focus on that slow, lowering phase. Or do step downs from a small step, lowering one foot slowly, then bringing it back up. Think of eccentric strength as your body's braking system, a built-in safety feature that keeps you steady and independent. Walking downstairs with confidence at 70, that's real freedom. Movement 2. Concentric strength training. If eccentric strength helps you go down safely, concentric strength gives you the power to come back up. Think of those same Bali stairs. Going down is easy, but climbing back up is where most people struggle. That's because their legs and glutes can't lift their body step by step anymore. Concentric strength is what you use daily, standing from a chair, carrying groceries, picking up a bag. It's your muscles working against gravity. The problem? We lose this strength faster than we think. One year you're chasing grandkids, the next you're sitting and watching. The fix is simple. Start with chair squats. Sit and stand slowly without using your hands. Push through your heels. Add push-ups to build upper body strength, so you can push yourself up if you ever fall. Begin with wall or knee push-ups if needed. Then try lunges. They teach each leg to lift your body like climbing stairs. Go slow, stay balanced, and aim for 8 to 12 controlled reps per move. You're not training for medals, you're training for life. Each rep builds strength, confidence, and independence. It's not about lifting heavy, it's about living strong. Movement 3. Upper body strength. Upper body strength isn't just about big arms, it's about how your shoulders, back, and arms work together. When one weakens, the whole system struggles. You notice it when pulling yourself up, paddling, or lifting something heavy. Everything feels harder than it should. Most people lose upper body strength slowly. Hours at a desk round your shoulders and weaken your back, making even reaching up or opening a jar uncomfortable. The good news? You can rebuild it. Start with wall slides. Stand with your back and arms flat against a wall, sliding your arms up and down to improve shoulder movement and posture. Then try rows or resistance band pulls to strengthen your upper back and fix that hunched position. When ready, add assisted or partial pull-ups. Don't worry about perfection, just stay controlled. Each pull trains your shoulders, arms, and core together. Think of this as building your body's power system. It's not about looks, it's about living strong. Being able to lift, carry, or help someone up in your 70s isn't just strength, it's independence and confidence. Movement 4. Endurance training. Strength helps you move. Endurance helps you keep moving. And if there's one thing that defines how long and how well you live, it's endurance. Your VO2 max, how much oxygen your body uses during exercise, measures it. The higher it is, the stronger your heart and lungs are. People with good endurance can live up to 4 times longer than those without it. Think about what you want to keep doing. Hiking, traveling, dancing, playing with your grandkids. None of that happens without stamina. The best part? You don't need marathons, just movement. Walk, swim, cycle, or dance. Aim for a pace where you can talk, but not sing. That's zone 2 training. ideal for building lasting endurance. Do about 80% of your cardio in this zone, slow, steady, and comfortable. Start with 20 to 30 minutes daily, adding time each week until you can go for an hour. Think of your heart and lungs like a savings account. Every workout is a deposit, every skipped day a withdrawal. Stay consistent, and your health balance grows. Endurance training doesn't just add years to your life, it adds life to your years. Walking without fatigue, climbing stairs easily, keeping up with loved ones, that's real longevity. Movement 5. Foot reactivity and side-to-side movement. Here's a truth few realize. After 65, if someone breaks a hip, there's about a 30% chance they won't survive the next year, and half of those who do never regain full mobility. Most falls aren't just bad luck. They happen because the body loses its ability to react fast. When you're young and trip, your feet move quickly to catch you. As you age, that reaction slows. A small stumble can turn into a serious fall. This happens because type 2B muscle fibers, the ones responsible for quick reactions, weaken first. The good news, you can retrain them. Start with small hops in place, soft, gentle landings, then add side-to-side or forward-backward hops to wake up those fast-reacting muscles. Try lateral lunges too, step wide, bend one knee, then push back to center. This builds balance and control in side-to-side movement. You can even work on balance during everyday tasks. Stand on one foot while brushing your teeth. Walk on grass or uneven ground. Close your eyes for a few seconds while standing still. This isn't about being an athlete. It's about staying ready to react, recover, and stay safe when life catches you off guard. Train now to move fast and stay steady, because one quick step could save you from a dangerous fall. So, there you have it. 5 simple movement patterns that can completely change how you age. And the best part? You don't need a gym, expensive equipment, or hours every day. Just a few minutes of focused effort done consistently can shape your future. Let's put it all together into a practical daily plan. Eccentric training, 3 sets of slow squats or step downs. Focus on lowering for 3 to 4 seconds each rep. Concentric training, 3 sets of 8 to 12 squats, push-ups or lunges. Focus on power, not speed. Upper body strength, 3 sets of rows, wall slides or assisted pull-ups. Keep your shoulders strong and stable. Endurance training, 30 to 45 minutes of Zone 2, cardio walking, cycling, swimming or dancing. Foot reactivity, 5 to 10 minutes of quick hops, side steps or balance drills to keep your reflexes sharp. You can rotate these across your week or sprinkle a few into each day. The key is consistency. Every rep, every step, every breath, it's a vote for the person you want to be in your later years. Your marginal decade, those final 10 years of life, doesn't have to be about slowing down. It can be about living fully, exploring, and staying strong enough to enjoy it all. Start small. Pick one movement today and stick with it for a week. Then add another. Because the truth is, your future self is watching, and every choice you make now shapes the freedom you'll have later. So make it count. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs that push. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later.